Hey guys, this is Philippe again, and today I'm going to be showing you a little something I've been working on. Basically, this is going to be my next tutorial, and as you can see, I've just gone through some of the code, and if you've read it up here, this is the Super Mario clone. I've been getting a lot of sprites from all over the place, so this is like a Mario with a load of different things. So I'm trying to replicate the initial Mario that was made ages ago, one of the first versions. The gameplay and all that should be quite similar to that. I'm not going to have mushrooms, I'm going to have like a hammer for him instead, as you can see here. I don't want to make this too difficult. I didn't think this would be very difficult at first, but it turns out I'm finding this a lot harder to do than my 3D games. So, but I'm getting there. Hopefully I think in about 2-3 weeks time I'll be finished. This is only about just over halfway done, I think. So I've done the most difficult part, which is collisions and all that. I still got to tweak one or two things on that. So you'll see, as you can see here, this is a tower-based game. So for those of you that don't know, basically this is my whole map here, what I'm showing you here. For some reason I just pointed at the screen like you're supposed to see my finger or something. Anyways, this is my map, which took me quite a bit to do. So I'll show you the game quickly. Okay guys, so here's the game. This is my third time recording this because turns out that it's not a good idea to have your sounds on whilst you're doing this. So I stopped all the sounds, for example the boxes, the jumping sound, the coin picking up sound, because that was really getting in the way of me talking to you. So basically, as you can see here, you've got coins being picked up, you got that, you got boxes being hit, you can do that. So as you can see, if you look on the left corner top, you'll see the coins actually that was a mushroom box, so that won't increase your coins. But I've got collision fully working. I've designed the whole map. I've got deaths working. I'll show you one in a second. So as you can see there, 7 coins, 8. So let's see if death works. This isn't perfect yet, but I'm making it at the moment. So as he runs, so as you saw there, probably the life came down by 1. You've got time at the top. Once that reaches 0, you'll die. I haven't actually tested that, but it's pretty simple, so it should be working. The blocks aren't doing anything yet. Hopefully I'll push them up for a second when I do hit them. Clouds, as you can see, you got air tiles, so the green lines will not be in obviously the tutorial. They're just here for debug and help me see how the collision works properly. As you can see, you got clouds, for example, that you don't collide with clouds. You only have certain objects that you do collide with, like these blocks here. You've got this cool animation on the question mark. I found this GIF online, which is really good and high quality, so I use that for this. You've got that. Let me think. What else? You've got the spinning coins. I don't have any more coins in this map, but if you go back to the start, you can see the coins spinning. So I did that as well. That was a lot more difficult to do because I had to get an object and do that from it. So you got those things there. The map is, as I showed you, it's a 2D array map, which is actually a lot simpler to do, so you can easily overwrite things and put new things on. So the only difficult thing is designing the whole map from scratch. After you do that, then the rest is easy. So I don't know if for the tutorial I'll have you do a text file, draw the map from that or not. It depends how difficult it is, because I don't want to overcomplicate this for you. This will be, I think, overall it will be a little bit more code than the 3D game, because we have our own collision system. We have a few more things. I can't guarantee you that, but I think it will be. That other game was 1,400 lines, so I'm guessing this one will be just under 2,000. Hopefully not, though. I've got to add enemies, which shouldn't be too difficult. There's nothing special about the AI in Mario. So yeah, like I said, all the sprites you can see here, I nigged them off a load of different places because I wanted to get fairly high resolution ones, and it's really difficult. So the Mario that I've got is Paper Mario. It's a really nice sprite actually, and it was pretty difficult to find. You got the clouds, you got the bricks. They're really high quality ones considering. And things that I can't find, I just scavenge around the place really. So that's why this looks like a weird all random Mario, but it should be pretty playable when you do make it yourself. I'll try and have the tutorial done by like the next 3 weeks or so. Obviously this isn't complete, so I need to finish it myself. I've got college starting soon as well, so hopefully I'll have this done by then. If I don't, then it'll probably be a month before I release the tutorial. Anyways, I'll let you know how it goes. I'll try and have this done as soon as possible, but I need to make sure it doesn't have any bugs on it still. I had some problems with resolution. I think we're pretty much stuck with 800 by 600, so if your computer doesn't handle that, you kind of have to customize this a little bit, because you're handling sprites, and I don't know a way of without making a whole lot of more code, having it adapt to different resolutions. So bigger monitors are pretty much screwed. So yeah, this is probably the only 2D game I'll be making, as I hate this very much. It's a lot of trouble, and it's not worth the effort in my opinion, unless you're really into 2D games. So I've got most of it working, at least the more difficult part, which is what I spend most time on collision and stuff, on moving the map, drawing the map, which is really difficult at first. I use this code from this guy called Pizzaman on DB Pro, but I had to make a lot of modifications myself, so I can't really get in too much trouble for copyright on that. Plagiarism more like anyway, but so yeah, I'll only be doing one level for when I make the tutorial, but I'll have it in a way in which you can make your next levels by yourself quite easily. So all it does is, when you're done, it'll increment the level by 1, and then you can add your own level to it if you like. So this is pretty much it. I think this is done. So anything you don't see here, like any missing animations or whatever, it should be in the final version. Like I said to you, it's very difficult to get certain sprites, but I am trying quite hard to get them, even if I have to steal them for certain games. I shouldn't get into trouble for that. All the sounds, I've got most of the sounds working at the moment. I've turned them off just so I can talk to you about this, and they'll all be in the final version. What else? I think this is about it. I'll try and have this out for you guys as soon as possible. So this is about it, guys. Thanks for watching, and let me know if you're interested in doing this. See ya.